today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a bank transfer in Ecwid. If you're running an online store with Ecwid and want to provide your customers with the option to pay via bank transfer, this guide is for you. Bank transfers can offer a convenient and secure payment method for both you and your customers, making it a valuable addition to your payment options. Let's dive in, and I'll walk you through the steps to get you set up. First, you'll want to head over to your Ecwid control panel. This is your main hub for managing your online store, so you're probably already familiar with it. Once you're logged in, you'll notice several different sections on the left side. You'll want to locate and click on the payment section. This is where you'll manage all things related to how your customers pay for their purchases. In this payment section, you're going to look for a subsection labeled Manual Payment Methods. Manual payment methods are straightforward ways to receive money without using an automated system, and they cover options like checks and cash on delivery. Today, however, we're focusing on setting up a bank transfer, which falls under this category. So, go ahead and click on Manual Payment Methods. Now you should see a button or a link that says Add Manual Payment Method. Click on it. This action is going to open a new form that allows you to configure your custom payment method. You'll need to input some information about how you want your bank transfer payment method to function. In this form, you'll add your bank details, which your customers will use to make their payments. It's crucial to double check and ensure that details like your bank account number, bank name, and any other required information are accurate. Incorrect details can lead to failed transactions or payment delays. It's also a good practice to add a clear, straightforward instruction guide on transferring money to your bank. This might include step-by-step instructions or any reference information they might need to include when making the payment. And that's it. You've now added bank transfer as an available payment method in your Ecwid store. Once you complete filling out the details, confirm the information and save your changes. By taking this action, you've provided your customers with a reliable payment alternative that could potentially enhance their shopping experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. With your new bank transfer option set up in Ecwid, you're now ready to offer your customers more flexibility and build trust by providing them with multiple ways to pay. Don't forget to stay tuned for more tutorials to help you optimize your online store and make the most of